and I'm just driving up the track. It'll take me about a year to get to the top. But I'm on my way to dig a pond for the polytunnel.
An hour later.
So something bad happened. Basically, I brought the digger up here to try and dig a little pond, which I started to do. Obviously, I'm on a slope, and I came in, come down that bit okay, like skidded a little bit by the looks of it. Here, come forward, and then when I got to here, one of my tracks was still up here instead of level, which in hindsight I would have straightened up a little bit, gone a bit flatter that way. Anyway, so one's a bit high up. Anyway, it was all right. I did tip slightly, and I was like, right, I've got to empty the bucket and move. Stupidly, I emptied the bucket to the right and not the left, and that little bit of extra weight tipped me over. I'm a dickhead. So yeah, I'm just going to Google how to get back up if it's possible. Otherwise, I have to get a tractor to come and pull me upright or something. We'll find out the next episode of what am I going to fuck up today. So overnight, the hydraulic fluid left the arm of the digger, which made the fall down like that, which was even harder to get it up. So thanks to Nikki for turning up with his tractor and saving the day. He tied the rope on the front and we were able to spin it around a bit to get it onto more even surface. And huge thanks to Will for coming and using the pole to leverage it and being the brains of the operation. Look at that go. What a beautiful tractor. It's the best tractor I've ever seen, to be honest.
Wow!
No, Mango, don't eat the digger. So we untied the rope and then relocated it to the top of the digger. But to do this, we had to leverage it up with that scaff pole you just saw. And then I had to put my hands underneath it, which I could have got crushed. So I'm pretty brave today. And then there we go. It's going up. Nikki was worried that if it pulls up, it could flip and fall down the other way. So he wanted to tie a rope onto the other side just in case that happened. Because that would be really shit to straighten it up and then for it to fall down again. That was the battery inside it falling about a bit and some things clanging. So that's it. That's how to stand up a mini excavator with the help of Nikki and Will and Nikki's magic tractor. Look at that.